Asurion Insurance Features, Strengths, Weaknesses. Asurion offers comprehensive protection plans primarily for mobile devices, appliances, electronics, and furniture, covering malfunctions, accidental damage from handling, ADH, and theft, depending on the specific plan. Their key features include online claim filing, typically quick repair or replacement services, and access to a network of authorized repair technicians. Asurion essentially targets consumers seeking peace of mind against unexpected device failures or damage beyond standard manufacturer warranties, often appealing to those prone to accidents or desiring financial protection against high repair costs. One of Asurion's strengths lies in its wide availability, often bundled with purchases from major retailers and wireless carriers, simplifying enrollment. They also offer relatively quick claim processing and often provide replacement devices or appliances that are new or like new, which is attractive. Furthermore, their large service network allows for convenient repair options in many areas. However, Asurion's weaknesses include potentially high monthly premiums compared to the likelihood of needing a claim. The deductible required for claims can also be substantial, especially for lower value devices, potentially negating the perceived benefit of the insurance. Another common complaint revolves around the difficulty in obtaining approvals for certain claims, particularly when the damage may fall into gray areas of their coverage terms and conditions. The replacement process can occasionally be slow, and the quality of refurbished replacement devices can be inconsistent. It's essential to scrutinize the fine print of Asurion's policies, as exclusions and limitations can significantly impact the overall value. Ultimately, Asurion's value proposition depends heavily on individual risk tolerance and the types of devices being insured. For those prone to accidental damage or owning particularly expensive electronics, Asurion may provide worthwhile financial protection and peace of mind. However, for consumers who are careful with their devices or who find the monthly premiums and deductibles too high, exploring alternative options such as self-insuring or extended warranties directly from the manufacturer may be more cost-effective. Before committing to an Asurion plan, carefully weigh the potential benefits against the costs and carefully review the terms and conditions to ensure the coverage aligns with your specific needs and expectations. Consider the device's replacement cost, the likelihood of damage, and your comfort level with paying out of pocket for repairs before making a final decision.